Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint scanner on your VIVO X300 Pro isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. In such case, let's enroll a new fingerprint model for this device. To do so, go to Settings and swipe down to Security and Privacy menu. In this menu, go to Device Unlocking, select Fingerprint, enter your current lock screen password, and if you have previously enrolled fingerprints on your device, delete them. Now, before adding a new fingerprint, remove the protective case from your device and also check if your device has a screen protector. Some screen protectors, especially the ones from unoriginal distributors or not from Vivo basically, may interfere with the fingerprint scanner, and this might be the problem causing why you cannot correctly enroll your fingerprint model. Once you remove everything, wipe the surface of your screen with microfiber cloth if you have one. If you don't, just use a dry towel. Make sure that the surface of your display is smooth and clean. And now let's unlock this phone. Select fingerprints once again, enter your password, add a fingerprint, enroll now. And now let's try to add a new fingerprint model. Try placing your finger on the scanner the way you'll be unlocking your phone in the future, and try to use as much of your finger surface as you can for the best experience. Tap OK when you're ready. And before we proceed to check how this feature works now, let's go back to Settings and let's swipe down to System Update menu. Make sure that your device has an internet connection and check if your device has any updates available for it. And if it says that you already has the latest system version, let's just restart the phone. And if you do have any updates, of course, download, install them, and let your phone restart. Now let's press power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe this bottom circle to the right to restart your phone. And now let's wait until it's restarted. Once your phone is restarted, you're gonna have to enter your password just once as a security measure. And now let's try to use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. Okay, so it worked for the first time. Let's check it for the second one. And as you can see, everything works fine. I hope that it does for you too, and I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.